Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of coconut tarts. To prepare the base, in a bowl add 75 grams of butter. In another bowl add 1 egg yolk, pinch of salt, beat it, add it to the bowl of butter, mix it. Add 125 grams plus 1.5 tablespoon of flour gradually. Mix. Add little egg white. Mix. Knead into a dough. Add little powdered sugar and knead. If the dough is too sticky, add more flour. The dough is ready. In a bowl, add 120 grams of grated coconut. Add 40 grams of powdered sugar or add more as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 1 egg yolk. Mix. Add egg white. Mix. Add 25 grams of butter. Mix. Add 1 drop of yellow food color and mix. The coconut filling is ready. Grease the tarts with oil. Divide the dough into 9 round equal portions. Place it in the tarts. Press it evenly. Prick the tarts with a fork. Fill the tarts with a prepared coconut filling. Bake in a preheated oven. I baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. But after 20 minutes, do check if they are ready. Once it is cool, unmold the tarts. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.